I just end up the video. Why take a thumbnail video? Or I cannot take a thumbnail video. Oh, long time I've not been doing. Okay, yeah, I'm supposed to pray. This is where I'm supposed to press. This is where I'm supposed to press. Anyway, I will post that video very short like that. Because nowadays, before people will watch your video, it's not easy. So, my lovely people, as I was saying, we went outside. The tram was cancelled 2 times. Then my daughter said, "Mommy, please, I would still like to go to school today. Today is our swimming day. I need to go." She likes swimming. Oh my God, me, I don't know how to swim. My husband don't know how to swim. My son don't know how to swim. It's because my son did not get a swimming class when he was small. And now that he's big, he can't do it anymore. I don't know. I've not asked him if he can still take the swimming lesson. So, I don't know. So, she's the only one now started at very young age. The class, they all go to swimming. She was the only one that started it. So, my lovely people, as I was saying, at the end of the day, we walk and we was using this phone navigator. Phone navigator. That is what we was using. That is what everybody use. Even if you try, you just put it on your phone. We just be telling you, take left, take right, take. I don't see people buying a normal navigator anymore. Everybody is using phone. Before they used to sell a normal phone navigator, normal navigator, but people don't buy it. Unless maybe if you are the type that use your phone while driving, and it's not even advisable for you to be using your phone while driving. So I prefer that you will just use your phone so that nothing will distract you. It's just to navigate to you to where you are going. So for those people using navigator, it's still good, but you can still use your phone. I think it's a waste of money if you go and be using a navigator where you can use also your, I don't know. So my lovely people, this is what happened today. I will be vlogging my daily life, what I do a day, and putting it there just as usual. I was doing it before so well. Maybe I would just vlog or just post my video. It was really going well for me, but I don't know why I stopped. So this year, you know why I even stop? It's not encouraging. After 6 months, you not get paid on YouTube because of the less view. So you not be encouraged to do video. That is just the fact. Because if you have views, when you put video, you get views. So you'll be encouraged to always drop video. But if you don't get views, so it's discouraging. So that is why I was not posting ever since. Please forgive me my bad manners. It's New Year, we try everything. Maybe God might pick my call. Who knows? Who knows? So I will be doing as fitness. I'll still be putting it to encourage one or two person out there, even if you don't go to gym, because I now later found out that going to gym will make all your body to be paining you. It will make you smart. It will make you not lazy. It will not make you, but it takes time before you can reduce. So now I just stop my gym. I have love band at home, doing normal exercise, normal body exercise, doing all those things. So if I'm doing it, I'll be putting it so that we do it together. Thank you for watching. God bless you. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you have not followed me, please follow for more video and more things about me, my life. I just put this one out before. I was having with one since after you'll be tired of wearing cap especially this day where we do no longer face with one on our head. This day we no longer face with one, so it's really make you tired to put with one. You just like to leave your head like that. I don't know if I'm the only one. No, some people just like to still face their with one. Maybe you are in Africa, but European, me I not even sure say people still dey face with one because they do cap, weaving, or back, all those things. And this my hair, I will lose it. I'm going to lose this hair. My front hair is gone, but I'm still just managing it to just weave the front. Okay, thank you for watching. We are going to learn the intro or this my page, so that we'll be saying the intro and give a shout out. I'm going to learn something that I will be using at the beginning of my video. So if you miss me, comment down below under the comment section. So maybe at times I will still be doing reacting video and be posting reacting video. Okay, yeah, no receive, no retreat, no surrender, we move. So everybody that have subscribed to my family channel, thank you. We are almost 5,000 followers now. For how many years I have lived the channel, but last year I was doing well before the view dropped. Then I stopped. Or last 2 years, last 2 years. Then late last year, everything like this again. Then I also don't have that strength and courage to be posting, but I'll do my best to be reacting to people's video and posting it. What do you think? Think reaction will go a long way. Any video I see on the street, I will react to it. Me with my face, if it's 1 or 2 a day, just to keep the channel going. Now with your help and support, you loving and liking the video, sharing it, thank you so much for subscribing to Jerry Wife TV. I appreciate you. I love you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.